Welcome to the @Realty December Market Update. As we near the end of an astonishing year in property, there are more @Realty agents across the country than ever before, ready to help you on your property journey. We saw over $261 million of property sold in November. That's an increase of 2.5% from October, as we see more Australians trust a local @Realty expert to sell their property. If you've been trying to buy a home in the past few months and you're frustrated at the lack of listings, there's some good news. We're seeing an uplift in new listings right across the country, hitting a 3-year high nationally on new listings. That's good news for potential buyers, but not so much for sellers. If you've been thinking about selling, there is still strong demand. However, be aware that with the increase in new listings coming to market, there will be more options for buyers. Among the top suburbs in demand from the last 3 months, the Gold Coast is at the top, with a median house price of $730,000, followed by the Sunshine Coast, Geelong, and Newcastle. Competition across Australia has now begun to surge again as pent-up demand from lockdowns in Sydney and Melbourne push owners to list their property. This has depressed the days on market, which has hit a new record low sitting at just 31 days on realestate.com, indicating that buyers are making offers quicker than ever before and views per listing continue to rise, indicating buyer demand is still very strong. While prices have continued to rise, the rate of growth has slowed from its peak earlier this year, a trend expected to continue. In October, @Realty agents assisted with the transaction of hundreds of beautiful properties in all corners of Australia, like this 5-bedroom home in Upper Coomera, Queensland, this rural 1-acre 5-bedroom home in Drouin South, Victoria, this beautiful cottage in Lillian Rock, New South Wales, and this beachside home in Christie's Beach, South Australia. @Realty agents use their local knowledge of the areas they work in to effectively achieve prices above and beyond what their vendors expected, understanding what buyers in their areas are looking for and how to best market their vendors' properties. November has been a fantastic example in how hundreds of @Realty agents achieved record results across the country. The strong uplift in prices has also been driven by record low mortgage rates and people dedicating more of their income to housing. However, with interest rates now rising and travel resuming, this run of exceptional growth may be coming to the end of its course. Assuming we continue to see high levels of stock coming to the market, there should be a better balance between demand and supply. With lockdowns ending and social activities reopening, along with domestic and international travel, we are likely to see people spending more of their income on these types of pursuits, which may lead to less being spent on residential housing and further slowing of price growth. So if you have thought about selling, it would be beneficial to do so sooner before more supply comes onto the market and the Australian population shifts its focus in 2022. For more information on the Australian property market, visit @realty.com.au or speak to your local expert. We look forward to helping you on your property selling journey and see you in next month's property market update.